This is a Honda Civic Type R, specifically Honda Civic Type R FK2. But as you can probably tell from the bumper and the wing and the badges, it's not an ordinary FK2. This is a Mugen. Mugen was founded in 1973 by Hirotoshi Honda, the son of Soichiro Honda, the founder of Honda. Mugen means unlimited, and while Mugen has never actually been owned by Honda, the two have always been very closely linked. In fact, Mugen was actually in F1 from 1992 to 2000, and even today they still have involvement with Honda's F1 engines. The last Civic Type R Mugen was the FN2, and that came out in 2009-2010, and it was a standard FN2 Type R, just more extreme in every way. 20 were made, and they were lighter, the rear seats were thrown away, they had harnesses, bucket seats, they had 237 brake horsepower rather than 198 brake horsepower, and more torque, and they were lower and came with different dampers and a limited slip differential. Now for the FK2, there was never an official Mugen Type R, but that didn't stop them making parts for it, which is where this car comes in. Every single part you see on this car that is different to the standard FK2 has come from Mugen. Take the wheels, for example. Each wheel is 3 kilos lighter than the standard FK2 wheels, but they also cost £1,600 each. The exhaust, it's a single exhaust rather than a quad exhaust, and it's £2,100 and actually makes a slightly different noise. The bumper, it's £1,700. All in all, there's just under £14,000 worth of parts on this car. But underneath it's a standard FK2, so it's still got a 2-litre turbocharged engine, it's got 305 brake horsepower, 0 to 62 miles an hour, 5.7 seconds, and a top speed of 167. So it's still rather rapid, even if it doesn't have any official performance modifications. Is it worth doing something like this to an FK2? Honestly, I think, like all of these things, it comes down to personal taste. I don't know whether I personally would, but that's because I fell in love with the FK2 when I saw it, so I think I'd probably leave it the way it was. This car is the only one in the UK with all of the Mugen parts, and it's for sale right now with Hendy Performance for £27,000. It's just got me thinking, why doesn't Mugen do something official with the FK8? The FK8 is the most extreme Type R there's ever been, so why don't they do something like they did with the FN2? Strip out some weight, make the engine more powerful, do something a bit crazy. I think there'd be quite a few Honda fans that would enjoy something like that.